I be too hot to ever get low. Weed in the sky, you gotta know. Never get tired, we be on go. We be on go, we be on go. I take a ride, don't take it slow. Feet to the fire, niggas.
What's going on, YouTube family? Yo, I just want to give y'all a shout out and say thank y'all. Yo, I got a very special video for y'all today. This is talking about some shoes that's been going on that's hot right now. Not necessarily the shoe, but the actual what's that model or models, the Air Max 1, as y'all probably seen by the thumbnail. Yeah, I think these will be definitely a shoe that y'all wouldn't necessarily see everybody wearing. Yeah, before we get into the shoe, let me grab the box real quick. Before we get into the shoe, I want to say mental health is important. If you got to take time from being away from things or being away from people, please take time from it. Focus on your mental health. Get yourself together. If you got to talk to somebody, find somebody to talk to. These couple, I think I took like a month and a half off just from posting anything on YouTube, not really pushing social media, not really doing any of that stuff, just to get my mental health together. Just really trying to get myself in a better place so I can be able to put better videos out for y'all, and I can come through as authentic and not trying to be a character or act any type or different way than I actually am. So with that being said, I'm coming back. I'm here. We're gonna be uploading like crazy. I got a couple videos dropping. Like, I got a bunch of stuff for y'all dropping. Just know I'm back. Just know I'm back. I got some stuff. We're gonna continue the grill series. We really gonna dig deep into this shoe thing and just really go hard for y'all. What I really want to, like I've been saying, what I really want to do is continue to bring content that nobody else is really bringing y'all. I want to bring shoes that y'all don't see from everybody else when it comes to this sneaker stuff. I want to be different. I want to be innovative, and I want to keep bringing y'all different. So if y'all ready to rock with me and y'all ready to get back on this this horse with me and ride this out, please do me a favor, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Hey, make sure you share this and just really put this out to your people. We here now. We here. Better place. I want to be better mentally, spiritually, just physically. I'm getting in the gym. Yo, it's a lot of stuff that I had going on that I felt about myself that I really wanted to get out to y'all. But enough of that. Let's get into these shoes. Cut this Let's get into these shoes. Yo, right here, right now, this is what we got. We got the Air Max 90s. This is a dope pair. And when I say that, this is a shoe you can wear. You can really wear. And I'm saying that because this shoe really you can throw on with a lot of stuff. And they got a multiple colors. This really is a summer, fall shoe. Even spring shoe. Anywhere you can get outside and you can get a chance to walk in these, I suggest you do it. This shoe is really one of those shoes. And it's a slept on shoe. And it's a slept on silhouette. Let's just be honest. It's slept on. But we're gonna get into this. This is an Air Max 90. White, action grape, and phantom. I picked this up from Packer. This is my first purchase from Packer. I must say, hands down, great website, easy to breeze through. If I get a chance, I'll put their website up here, or I'll leave a link in the description. When I got these, they did have a sale going on. I think I copped them. They was originally $120, I want to say ish. They had a 30% off sale going on, so I wound up paying $90 for these. I think it's a dope shoe. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it. Bam, bam, bam. Off rip. My first expressions of this shoe when I seen them on the website is, these women's shoes? No, they're not. Yeah, that's what it is nowadays. I know it's a lot of colors and it's like, whoa. But shoes, this is welcome to the future of shoes, right? These unisex colors, all this stuff dropping in different colors. Me personally, throw the box down there. Me personally, and it's just me. Y'all don't have to agree. Y'all don't have to care. Me personally, I think all shoes should be unisex. I think all shoes should get a full size run, just because the world we live in today. So all shoes should be unisex. Make them a full size run. Don't give a woman's, don't give a men's. Just really make them a full size run, unless you're just making something exclusively for kids. Just really make that full size run. It might cost the companies a little bit more, but you'll honestly probably start to see a more bang for your buck. And you won't have to produce a men's size and a woman's size. You could just produce the whole unisex line, and that way you get a better, I don't want to say better quality, but you get a better sizing for the shoe versus you just making exclusively for men, or you make a color exclusively for women. Like some stuff you could just, right now in the day and age we live in, just make the shoes unisex. So needless to say, this is a men's color. You got the gum on the back, got the gum on the bottom. These colors right here really pop. This action purple just really goes hard. I think the way they really put the silhouette in there. You got the phantom gray or whatever that may be in there. Like I said, this is a shoe that you can have on all day and you don't even know you have it on. The mesh uppers here, man, it's just really, this is a really nice quality shoe made. I honestly think if you get a chance, or if you haven't had a chance, grab your pair of Air Maxes. It's summertime. Get you some Air Max 1s, get you some Air Max 90s, get you some 97s, which run small. So if you get 97s, make sure you go a half size up or a whole size up, because they run small. I got a wide foot, so they kill my toe. But definitely look, man, these are dope. Action purple, Air Max 90, go cop them. If you're looking for them, Packer got them. If you want to go to them, if not, hey, I'm sorry, I don't know what to tell you. If they don't got them, when I went on there, they had a nice run in these. So definitely go cop. If you don't want to, they have colors in these, man. They have extremely amount of different colors in these. So I wanted to bring y'all this for this, my first video coming back to talk about a general shoe, but to really focus on me being back and me just really getting into the groove of things. So this is definitely a shoe. I think if you're into shoes, it should be one of the shoes that's in your collection. Dope shoe. Hey, do me a favor. This your boy Blacked Out Kicks coming to y'all with another video. Hey, do me a favor. Let your haters look at your past while you keep looking forward. Hey, stay blessed, be blessed, and always, no matter what, always find a way to get your blessings, yo. We out.